What is going on YouTube, GCal Games here, and today we're back in another video, and on this video we're here in SLAYER'S Unleashed, and we're going to be doing the HINOKAMI Tanjiro experience. Now, basically in this video guys, we're going to be testing out how good does a HINOKAMI Tanjiro build work here in SLAYER'S Unleashed. Now, I have not played SLAYER'S Unleashed in quite a while. Let me turn on my graphics. I don't know why these are so low right now. There we go, so much better. And basically, I've not played this in a really long time. I actually missed on some updates. You guys probably seen that I haven't made much videos on it. I actually didn't even know they had these hairs that you can put in your character. So this is the actual Tanjiro hair. Made the video way better. Now, I do not have the Tanjiro Hori, which is really sad. But I guess we're going to use the Giyu Hori since it does kind of look like it. Did they ever fix the Hori for Giyu? No, they did not. Because for those who know, as you can see, I can see my bottom over here. But if I click, for example, the Obanai Hori, equip. Oh, and equip. There you go. You'll see that I have the Demon Slayer uniform under it. I wish they did that with the other ones, but whatever. Anyways, guys, basically we're going to be doing, as I said, Tanjiro build, testing out how good it is, and then we're going to hop in PvP. And a fun fact, I actually never played PvP in SLAYER'S Unleashed, so that's going to be a very fun experience. I'm going to suck because I really don't know. Probably going to try practicing the moves on on a dummy or something before we go into actual PvP. Now, as you see, I have mist breathing, so my first goal right now is getting water breathing because I already got sun. So let me open the codes over here, guys. I have the codes on my other monitor, and we're gonna be testing it out. So I'm just gonna do it. Should be pretty easy for us to be able to get what's it called, the water breathing first try. Let's try chat code, and then that. Oh, I think I put a the next breath 1. And then code flower breathing. What, bro? I just want water. Is it really that hard? Well, I put a space in my code. The Netsu breath. I'm gonna copy the Netsu breath. Copy X paste 2. There you go. Thunder breathing. Flower breathing. Water breathing. Okay, there you go. I was about to say, if I don't get water, that is so stupid. Okay. We got this, so now we're gonna build our setup. Now, I think for water breathing moves, we should put the moves that we always see Tanjiro using. So I can definitely see that we're gonna need water surface slash, because that's one of that Tanjiro's most used in the anime and the show. A whirlpool. I think we're just gonna have waterfall basin and constant flux and waterfall. I think we have 3 sun and 3 what's it called? 3 water. So for water, I'm gonna take water wheel. Oh, put it there. Yeah, there you go. We're gonna take whirlpool. Not whirlpool. I didn't mean to take whirlpool. We're gonna take waterfall basin. We're gonna take constant flux. There you go. And then for sun breathing, we're gonna buy them over here. Boom and boom. Now for sun, I think that the dragon one, I'm not gonna take. I think I'm just gonna take. Actually, do I have space for all of them? No, I have space for 3. So I'm gonna put this one right there. Dancing Flash. This Sunray Thirst and Flame Dance. Okay. I think we should be fine now. So we got our character right here. This is gonna be our Tanjiro of the time. We're gonna use this blade right here. And let's go practice on a dummy. So I want to test out this move. I actually never played water breathing, believe it or not, guys. And let's try it out right now. So, oh, lagged a little bit. Okay, so I think we should actually try to get the Tanjiro mark. We have a couple marks. I don't know how hard is it to get the Tanjiro mark. I have Shinazugawa right now, but I'm gonna change because I'm not a wind user. Copy this. 1. Tenroji. Ooh. Tomioka. I mean, worst case scenario, we'll get Tomioka. Shinazugawa. And Roji. Is there a 6? No, okay. Let me scroll down. There's more codes, guys. Slayer mark new right there. There are 5 of them. Code. Oh wait, forgot to put 1. Tomioka. I guess we're gonna go with Tomioka. Actually, let's just try. I don't know how hard is it to get. Tanjiro, I meant. Tomioka. You know, we're just gonna keep Tomioka, honestly. I guess since he's a water breather, it would make some sort of sense. Let's go over here and let's test out. So the first move is a water wheel. Okay, we didn't have any water effect. That's so stupid. Okay, waterfall basin. Oh, okay. And then constant flux. Am I supposed to hold that down or something? Okay, let's try to hold down water wheel, see what happens. Oh, I failed. I switched from my sword. Okay, let's try again. And water wheel. Oh, okay, so there you go. Now you have an effect. Then we have waterfall. Oh, okay, that's actually pretty cool. I can just. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Does have a longer cooldown though. That's why we have sun breathing over here. Then we have constant flux. Oh, okay. So you gotta hold it down. Okay, I like it. Then we have dancing flash. Okay. Sun ray thrust. Boom. And then flame dance, which of course we need it for Tanjiro. So I think this is a pretty good Tanjiro build, and we should be ready to hop into some online mode. At least I think so. I never played online, guys. Thinking about maybe the water breathing moves. We need one that's gonna be like faster cooldown. How fast is the cooldown for warp or water circus slash or whirlpool? I would say the list one I'm gonna use is going to be. Let's try to switch out for water wheel. Let's try whirlpool. Okay, whirlpool's pretty cool and it has a shorter cooldown, I believe. So I guess we're gonna go with that. So now we gotta leave the game and come back, so we're able to go into online, and let's hope that we get some good people over here, guys. Now I want you guys who are watching this video right now to go to the comments and comment who you guys want me to do next. Who should I recreate? Should I do Shinobu? Should I do Rengoku? Who should I do? Comment down below and I will try to make it for you guys. Let's just wait. Now, I did not know they added those hairs, guys, actually. There's a really question. Also, for those who are wondering, there's a Kokushibu and a Yorichi hair coming soon. So that's going to be really, really fire. And let's go into some ranked matches, everybody. Oh, God. I really hope I don't get, like, absolutely destroyed instantly. But, you know, it is what it is. So, I guess we're going to queue. I am in queue, okay. So you can get Haoris and stuff from it. Okay, so you can get the Ember Haori, which I'm guessing is like Susumaru inspired. Just the Haori is just like a Night Prince kind of thing. And then there's also the Vortex Haori. Did not know they have these rewards. Okay. 30 RP, but what's RP? I don't know what RP is. Oh, ranked points. So stupid. But you need how many wins? So 20 wins for the Vortex Haori. How long is it going to take us to get into a match? It says I'm in queue right now, so I'm not 100% sure how long this is going to take. Let's just sit here and wait, everybody. Alright guys, so I sat there for about like 5 minutes and I couldn't get an opponent, so I want to test out how well this build would work against a boss, because I know if it's not letting me go to ranked, that means most of you guys and a lot of people don't play ranked, so there's really no point in me showing you guys how well the build works in ranked. So, you know, we're going to do something that most people do end up playing in this game, which is the bosses. So we're going to go to SLAYER'S HQ and we're going to do one of the bosses. Now, I think we're going to do Gyu, just because I feel like it would make a lot of sense Tanjiro fighting Gyu. So let's go and fight Gyu. Now, I don't want to fight Shinobu. I feel like she's the easiest one out of all of them. So I kind of want a challenge, but you know, we're just gonna try. Nothing's too crazy like Mitsuri. I actually never fought Mitsuri after that video, and Mitsuri back when I played, she was almost impossible to beat. I actually never beat Mitsuri. So yeah, beat Mitsuri, not beat Tsumis. I mean, what? Okay, guys, let's just anyways, let's keep loading into over here and let's fight Gyu. Now, hopefully we don't get clapped, cause I don't know how to use this so well yet. So. Open that, boom. We're not gonna be using our sword with poison because that would be OP, and Tanjiro does not have a poison sword. So I'll be using my regular nichiting. So I think we should start off with waterfall basin as soon as he gets near me. So about right there. Oh, too far. Okay. Constant flux. Oh. Okay. You really thought. And then we were. Oh crap. Whirlpool. You walked right into it, buddy. You walked right into it. Dancing flesh, okay. B, sunray thrust. Really thought. Flame dance. Oh, bro, this is too easy. Oh. Oh, what? That did not hit him? That's pretty hard to hit, actually. Oh, God. Ooh. Bozo. Dancing fresh. Ooh, fresh, not flash. There you go. Ooh. Waterfall basin. Oh, okay. Did I hit him? I don't know if I hit him. Ooh, hit him right there. Bro, this is too easy. Come on, Gyu. Ooh. Come on, Gyu. Fight back. Oh shoot, my bad, bro. Ooh. Okay, constant flux. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Waterfall basin. Oh, you little. Boom. There you go. Oh, sunray thrust. Okay, okay, this is too easy, bro. This Tanjiro build is actually kind of good. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, 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 God. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, okay, okay. Ooh, waterfall basin. Oh, damn it. He keeps teleporting away. Okay. God, oh, God. I didn't do whirlpool. Whirlpool. There you go. He's on fire, he's on fire, he's on fire. Constant flux. Bozo missed that, missed that. Really getting caught by Hinokami Tanjiro. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, God. Okay, there you go. Oh. Jesus Christ. Okay, we're completely clapping gear right now. Okay, and then we... Okay, okay, fine, 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 it's fine. Oh, I missed that. Oh, 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 good clap, bro. He was on fire right now? Okay. Bozo really thought, okay, constant flux on him. Oh, oh, Hinokami Kagura? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, oh God. Boom. Woo! And then, Waterfall Basin. Oh, let's go. Water breathing is actually really fun to use. Because I usually won't go for water breathing in any Demon Slayer game just because it's like the basic and, you know, it's the boring one. But water breathing is actually really fun to use now that I'm giving it a try. Like, oh, constant flux. Oh, oh, oh. And then, oh, God, I missed that. Oh, get water. Oh, get whirlpool. Oh, oh. And then I'm just going to activate this. Boom, there you go. Oh, my God. Okay, we're clapping gear right now. Come on, Gyu. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, 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 okay. You know, Warball. How is Gyu getting clapped? Oh, total concentration, breathing, 11th form. Oh, crap. No, my bad, bro. My bad, bro. I was just playing. I was just playing, bro. I was just playing. My bad, bro. My bad. No, no, no. Let me heal. Let me heal. Am I not healing? I'm not healing, guys. I'm not healing. I don't know where he's coming. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, Whirlpool. I don't know where he's coming from. This is so stupid. I actually never went to this part of the boss fight. I actually obliterated him somehow. Or when I played, he didn't activate this. At least I don't remember. I don't even remember playing this fight, I'm going to be honest. But I know I beat it because I have the Gyu Hori, so I have to get it somehow. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, no. Bro, move, 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 Tanjiro, move, move. Hopefully this is infinite and I don't fall off somewhere. Oh my God, 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 oh my God. Oh my God, he's doing insane damage right now. He's doing some insane damage. I don't remember him doing that much damage, guys. Oh, 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 oh my God, oh my God. Okay, guys. Constant. Oh, waterfall basin, what's it for? Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Oh God, oh God, V. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my God, it's so weird, the sense of like where everything is right now. Run, 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 run. Okay, okay, okay. And oh God, no, 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 no. Tanjiro, Tanjiro, Tanjiro. You're supposed to be better. Oh, we killed him. And I got the water nitrine. Let's go. I did not have that yet. Let's go. We got all that XP. Got the water nitrine on top of that. Bro, let's go. This is so fire. Okay, let's go. Let's check it out, guys. Let me go right here. Water nitrine. Now I have 2 of the nitrine. Why is it not opening? There you go. Whip. Now look how many swords I have now, guys. Look at this. I got 3 sword style. Look at this sword. Oh. Wait, I wish I can deactivate my sun breathing, but look at this. This is pretty fire, honestly. Why is it not out of the case? Oh, it is? It is. Oh, my bad, bro. Didn't mean to hit you. Look at that, guys. Now we're at Zoro. We got 3 sword style Tanjiro. But, you know, that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it does help the channel a lot. But, you know, I think I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.